Most free offers don't fail because they're a bad idea. They fail because they're kind of built backwards. You see, most entrepreneurs create a freebie because they feel like they should, not because it's part of a system designed to move someone closer to the result. Okay. So when you build it backwards, you end up with a freebie graveyard. You know, that pile of PDFs, those checklists, challenges, or whatever it is that no one's downloading. Or maybe the downloads are happening, but they're not converting, into sales, right? Well, if that sounds familiar, if you've ever spent your valued hours, your time creating a value packed resource that went nowhere, I want you to know that you're not alone. Okay, it happens, but that's okay. But here's what's even more importantly. The good news is you don't have to start all over from scratch, all right? More than likely, you simply need to realign your strategy. So in this episode, I want to help you know why most free offers don't work. And again, most importantly, how you can fix yours before you waste a whole lot more time creating something that people don't actually want or need. All right. So let's look at the top 3 reasons free offers fail and how to fix each one. One, they solve the wrong problem. Your audience isn't looking for everything that you can do, okay? They're looking for a specific solution to a specific pain point. So when your free offer tries to cover too much, or maybe it's trying to solve a someday problem, it loses impact. Remember, your free offer isn't meant to teach everything, okay? It's meant to deliver a quick, meaningful win that builds trust. So here's system shift one. You're going to start with clarity on who your offer is for and what problem they want solved right now. All right. This becomes your gateway problem, or in other words, the door that leads to deeper transformation later on. Okay. Number two, the free offer is too complicated, to consume, right? So you might be over delivering, thinking that's a good thing, but that can actually backfire. All right. If your free offer takes too long to complete or it feels overwhelming, I'm telling you, people won't finish it. And unfinished freebies, they don't convert. So system shift two, keep it simple and keep it focused. All right. So one promise, one outcome, one transformation. When your offer delivers a fast win, it builds momentum, and momentum is what keeps your audience moving forward into your next offer. Number three, the free offer not being connected to the next step. This is the biggest mistake of all right? Your free offer should never stand alone, all right? It's not the end of the journey. It's the beginning of your system. So if there's no next step that's clearly built into your free offer, like your entry offer, or what I like to refer to as a low priced offer, or maybe a deeper training or even a membership, which is like what I like to do, then even the best freebie will stop working the moment someone downloads it. So system shift three, you need to design your free offer with intention. You can do this by asking these questions. Things like, okay, where does this offer lead next? Or what's the natural step for someone who finishes this? So when you create with the end in mind, your free offer becomes a bridge, not a dead end. Now, if you are ready to get that clarity to make sure every offer in your business actually connects, I have created a free resource to help you map it all out. I call it the Offer Clarity Blueprint. All right. Inside this blueprint, you will define your three core offers. Okay, and then your free offer to your build list as well. All right. So your entry or low price offer, which the purpose of that is to create that first conversation, your core or main offer, which is to deliver transformation. And then there's even a quick self-assessment to help you decide which one you should focus on first. So this isn't just a download, all right? It's the start of your offer system. So I'm going to drop the link to the Offer Clarity Blueprint down below in the description, and you can grab a copy of that. But first, before you go grab that, I want you to know that in the next video of this series, I'm going to be sharing the 3 core elements that make a free offer high value and high converting. You are going to walk away knowing exactly what makes an offer irresistible, how to design one that actually grows your list on autopilot. And it should be popping up on your screen now, just right over here. But if it's not, that's okay. It just means that you're watching this video a little early because I publish a new video every Monday. So to be sure you don't miss it or any future episodes, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my Mastering What Matters Monday newsletter. That way I can drop you a quick note just as soon as each new episode goes live. You'll find the link to the newsletter below this video. And I want you to remember that your business doesn't grow because you hustle harder. It grows because you build smarter systems, all right? Your free offer is the first one.